So when purchasing online, if you're anything like me, you want to buy the cheapest thing possible. With Siser materials, we suggest purchasing from an authorized Siser distributor or reseller. So when you go and shop online and you find that cheapest price possible and you see the name Siser written on it, it does not suggest that it is actual authentic Siser materials. So things to look for when you are purchasing online or at stores for Siser materials is you want to look for stamps. We have the Authorized Siser Distributor stamp and the Authorized Siser Reseller stamp. So when purchasing online, you want to make sure you look for these logos here. So there are a lot of people working at home and they want to sell Siser product, but we have not authorized them. People that might be working right inside their garage, naming other products that are not Siser, but they name it Siser for you to purchase it. That is what we want to try to avoid. That is where you want to look for your authorized Siser distributor or your authorized Siser reseller. So next time you're purchasing any Siser materials, make sure you're looking out for that authorized Siser distributor stamp or that authorized Siser reseller stamp. This is going to tell you that you're actually getting the Siser product you're looking for. And not only are you going to get the product you're looking for, you're going to get great customer service, you're going to get knowledge about the materials, and you can always contact us at Siser North America in case you have any other questions about the products. I'm Joe with Siser North America. Thank you so much for hanging out with me.